In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion page private. If you use Notion for planning, journaling, or sensitive work, locking down a page ensures only you can see it. I'll walk you through 3 simple actions with a few helpful tips along the way, so you can feel confident your content stays just for you. Start by opening the page you want to secure. Look to the top right and click the Share button. This panel shows everyone and every group that currently has access. Go through the list and change their permissions to no access or remove them entirely. If you see any workspace groups or team spaces listed, make sure those are set to no access as well. This step is all about clearing the audience so that no one else can open the page even if they have the workspace link. Take a second to confirm the list is empty or restricted just to you. If a person or group remains with any permission, they'll still be able to view or edit the page. While you are still in the Share panel, turn off any public sharing. Look for a toggle labeled Publish or Share to Web and switch it off. This immediately deactivates any public link that might have been shared before. If someone tries to open that old link, it won't work anymore. This is especially important if you previously allowed the page to be visible on the web, embedded elsewhere, or duplicated by others. By switching it off, you are cutting off public access at the source. Give the toggle a quick glance to make sure it's gray or clearly disabled. Finally, place the page where it belongs. Your private section. In the sidebar, locate the page and drag it into the private area. Dropping it there ensures the page sits in your personal space, rather than a shared team space or folder. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see the private section. If the page has subpages you also want private, consider dragging the parent page so everything moves together. Once it's in your private section, you'll see a small lock icon or a clear indication that the page is yours alone. That's it. Remove individual or group access. Unpublish it from the web, and move it to your private section. With those 3 actions, your Notion page is locked down and visible only to you. If you ever need to share it again, you can revisit the same Share menu and update the settings. Thanks for watching.